Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Do you think Windows Defender is your only line of defense against viruses? Well, think again. Microsoft actually provides two other free and often lesser-known tools that can make a massive difference if your main antivirus isn't catching anything. In this video, I'm going to introduce these two official tools, show you how to launch them, and, most importantly, explain when they are most effective. Let's take your security to the next level. Tool number 1, the Malicious Software Removal Tool, MRT. Let's start with a tool called the Microsoft Malicious Software Removal Tool, better known by its acronym, MRT. What's interesting is that Microsoft actually installs this on your PC every single month through Windows updates. It usually runs silently in the background, but you can also use it manually for a deep dive. MRT isn't a replacement for your antivirus. It's a specific cleaner designed to target and remove the most widespread and recent threats. Think of it as an elite cleanup crew that arrives after a potential infection alert. How to launch MRT manually. Go to your search bar and type MRT and hit Enter. On the first window, click Next to see your scanning choices. Your 3 scan options. Quick Scan. This is the default. It analyzes sensitive system areas where malware loves to hide. It only takes a few minutes. Full Scan. This scans your entire system drive, every file, folder, and running process. Use this if the quick scan found something or if you strongly suspect your PC is compromised. Just be patient. This can take several hours depending on your drive size. Custom Scan. This lets you pick a specific folder. It's perfect for scanning a suspicious file you just downloaded or checking a USB flash drive or external hard drive. Pro tip: want to see exactly what the tool found? You can check the log file. Open File Explorer using Windows plus E. Navigate to the Windows folder, then the Debug subfolder, and look for the file named mrt.log. If you see return code 0, it means your PC is clean. Tool number 2, Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Now, the second tool is even more powerful. Sometimes high-level viruses can hide from Windows while it's running, effectively blinding your antivirus. This tool bypasses that by restarting your PC into a secure environment and scanning before the operating system even starts. How to launch the offline scan. Look at your taskbar's bottom right corner. Click the small arrow to show hidden icons and find the Microsoft Defender Shield icon. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Look for the link that says Scan Options. Scroll down to the bottom and select Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. Once you click Scan Now, a Save Your Work window will pop up. It warns that the offline scan will take some time and will restart your device. Make sure to save all your open files before proceeding, then click Scan. Your PC will automatically restart, perform a deep cleaning outside of the normal Windows environment, and boot back up normally once it's finished. When to use which? Use MRT for a fast manual check against major recent threats or to scan a suspicious USB drive. It's your quick response team for known bad actors. Use the offline scan if your PC is acting sluggish, you suspect a deep-rooted virus like a rootkit is hiding at startup, or your regular scans keep coming up empty despite odd behavior. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had to use the offline scan to save a PC. Stay passionate, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.